Aloha and welcome to today's webinar's presentation. My name is Chris. We're here at BYU-Hawaii and we are hosting today's webinar with Guni in preparation for our Asia Pacific Career Conference, a 4-day conference held here at BYU-Hawaii, designed to help students that are interested in employment in Asia Pacific to connect with employers with recruiting demand. Today we're learning more about our financial group from Guni in Mongolia. Before we begin the presentation, let me introduce you to some of the aspects of our software. Those of you attending this live can see that you have the opportunity to participate in Q&A at the bottom. If you click on the Q&A button and submit question, we will try to respond to those now. You will also see that there is a way to raise your hand or interact in different ways if you would like to address something or have a question. For the most part, you will see that you cannot be heard or seen, but your way of communicating with the presenter is through the Q&A. Now that we're all familiar with the technology, let's begin our webinar. The time is now yours to share your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chris. I'm Guni from Mongolia, and I'm Chief Operating Officer at our financial group. Our company is a group company, the financial holding company. Let me start our presentation. The financial group, at financial groups, the main goal is we would like to establish the fintech bank. This is our digitals, and then it should be the sustainable and integrated. And we are planning to the branchless banking in the future coming soon. And the most of the mission is that we are optimize investment returns by the maintaining balanced view on the profits and the risk at the same time. And our companies, but the vision is that we would like to become to the strongest financial service group of the nation delivering the Mongolia, among the Mongolia, and the hope we will be into the international market soon too. And here's the main principles and the main strength for our group companies. And then we would like to maximize and protect value for our main shareholders, and we are set up to the highest standards of the ethics for all their employees and all their Mongolian laws and regulations. And then we have to be in a risk and we have to be balanced with them. And also the corporate governance is very good in here, and we are very open and mindset all the employees among to the executions and the management team. And all the companies are leading to their markets, and then we are very innovative companies in Mongolia, and we would like to be set up with our customer service and satisfaction for their customers. We would like to set up in a very high level, and also we would like to hire very powerful professionals and lean teams through all the group companies. And we have a very good unique structure, and then later on I will explain it. And we are very transparent with all the operations and all the things, and we are very creative for all the financial sectors, and we would like to use the technology advanced and very experienced teams. And we are very our companies is very competitive to amount of the competitors, and we would like to deliver to the high returns on all the investments, and we are ready to capitalize on the opportunities presented by them on the market. And here's our milestones. And then actually our company started name is Employee Investment Funds. It's established by the Bank, Mongolia, one of the biggest banks founders. And then we established first Mongolian private pension fund in 2007, and then we acquired the brokerage company. It's named right now. It's named in Art Securities, and this is the one of the biggest brokerage company right now in Mongolia. And then we rebranding all our companies, and then our company employee investment funds change it to the rebrandings, and then we become into the art financial groups, and we at the same time we investment to the art insurance company and art credit and NBIF at the same time. And then after that we established the savings and loan cooperative. It's named under the name Art Assets. And then we acquired one of the listing company at the Mongolian Stock Exchange. It's named as the Gin Stores. And then we reverse takeover at the same time. And then we our crowdfunding campaign is becoming to the one of the listed company at the Mongolian Stock Exchange. It's 2017. And then right now our Art Financial Group is becoming to the listing with the reverse takeover again with the Gin Stores again at the same time in Mongolian Stock Exchange. And then our art insurance company is also listed on last year, and our art credit is becoming listing soon this March on the Mongolian Stock Exchange. And here is our board of directors. Most of them are very high levels Mongolian leaders in the Mongolia. And then here is our shareholder structures. Mostly it's very, our shareholders are very, they are not dominated by only one person or one people. And there are, right now we have 2,500 shareholders right now, as in 2018. And here is our investment portfolio. We have different sectors for the investing. We have for the financial sectors, we invested to the insurance company, and also we have a pension fund. It's named at the Art Life company. And then also for the lending service, we have saving cooperatives and also non-bank financial institutes. And we have in the management company, it's in to the funds who manage their own funds through our management company. And then here is our securities company, and this is the brokerage company. Oh, sorry. What happened? No? Is it working?
Yes, we can see your screen. So just put the presentation back and we can.
Yeah. And for the invest crypto, we have my videos not working. No? Is it okay? For the crypto, and then we have a Go wallet, and we have a crypto company, and then we have exchange. And for the IT company, we have an IT solutions company, and then recently we buy out the e-commerce. And for the infrastructure, we have a Mongolian postal company. And we have a postal company, and then real estate trust, real estate, and then we have in different sectors for the buying their investment portfolio. Here is our insurance company, and then I think I will be just miss it out, and then I will share with it. Hope you guys can read it later on. There is our non-bank financial institutes, and this is the brokerage companies. Our brokerage company have a brokerage dealer and an underwriters. We have an Mongolian first pension funds, and then they have a monthly deposits to our company. And we have a savings and loan cooperative, one of the biggest savings and loan cooperative in Mongolia. And we manage the asset management, our management company, and then we have different assets to manage through their investments. And also we have an exchange platform, blockchain exchange platform. And there is a cryptocurrency company, Artbit, named Artbit, and also they use into the wallet, crypto wallet. And there is our IT company. This is all the under our financial sectors companies. They are already used into our Tinker Systems IT company. And then we have an e-commerce platform, and through their for the online shop is our companies, and the payment system is through our application, and the delivery system is through our Mongol Post and postal services. And then so right now we have an e-commerce. All the platforms are under the one setup. And there is a Investor Nation. It's a reverse takeover to the Mongolian Stock Exchange. So we are becoming to the reverse takeover again, Investor Nation with the Art Financial Group in this coming March. And this is the Mongol Post, the postal company. And then right now we have in private sectors invested to 34% of all this biggest postal company, and then right now our company is 26% of this company. Here is why did we invest in the Mongol Post? Mongol Post is we have through their biggest infrastructure in the Mongolia. So, and also they have a special license for the financial services, postals, and logistics. So we are using to the branchless banking in the future. So here is our highlights, and right now we are going to the fintech banking, and we become to the public companies. And right now the merger again with the Investor Nation with the Art Financial Groups. And here's our insurance company made an IPO in last September. It was very successful. This is the first insurance company become a public. Here's our company financials. Then you can see all the information from these financial informations. We usually do audits from the external audit companies, and then we cooperate with BDO or another auditing companies. This is our independent valuation by the BDO audit. If you invested in the 2005 in the Mongolian 5 million tugriks, it become 1.5 billion in 2018. I hope it's amazing for them. Here is our previous investments and then current investments. Right now, what we are planning, our future is we would like to be set up everything's only in an application, and here is all the informations will be, you can get it, all the insurance, savings, and money transfer, cash in and cash out, credit scoring, and then pension funds, payments, loans. You don't need to go to the bank. You can get everything from these applications. And then also you can have an crypto exchange, commodity, currency exchange, stock markets. And also we have a loyalty program that we just started to the altcoin loyalty program for the who are the using to our services. You can get some coins. And then one of our biggest adventure is the e-commerce. We have an online shop, and then you can get through the bank application, you can shopping at the same time from our application. So it's the main advantage of our companies. And we would like to be in branchless. We are planning to use the Mongol Post branches instead of the establishing new branches. And also we would just use agents or the call centers. Everything you can use through this one. If you have any questions, you can visit our website at holdings.com. And if you have any questions, if you would like to be interested in our company, you can email to us, and then we will contact you back. Okay. I couldn't hear you.
Can you hear me right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I just have a question in behalf for the students. For this for your company, for this coming APCC, what kind of skill sets of students that you're looking for?
For the minimum requirement is English.
English.
For all the employees. And the second one is we would like to be hire different sectors, different requirements for the students. For example, we would like to be honest, and they should be transparent for us, and also they have been in work harding, and a lot of the different things depends on their positions. For example, for the marketing, they should be having very innovative. For the accountant, they have been honest, and then they have been very tight for their budget.
Okay, sounds good. And the students, for the language wise, do they have to be able to speak Mongolian or no? Would that be one of the requirements?
It doesn't need to.
It doesn't need
if they speak in English, and then all our employees can speak in English.
Okay.
If they have in Mongolian at the same time, Mongolian and English is good, and then just speaking in English also good.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Welcome.
And we're looking forward to see you in 3 weeks. Actually, yeah, it's happening. Yeah. Great. And if you have any question or any concern about the conference, you can always email me, and we'll be able to respond.
Yeah, sure.
Great. Thank you so much for your time and your presentation, and we'll see you in. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.